Hello everyone, my report is about fetal development. So what is fetal development? So fetal development is an orderly and intricate process. It begins before you even know you're pregnant and ends with the birth of your baby, between conception and delivery. There are many detailed steps that have to occur. So there are three stages of fetal development: the germinal, embryonic, and fetal. Most people don't talk about the pregnancy in these terms, but it can be helpful to know. So, ang ibig sabihin ng fetal development is isang proseso na mayroong maayos at masalimuot. At nagsisimula ito bago mo malaman na ikaw ay buntis at ang natapos ito sa pagsilang ng iyong sanggol. At marami pang hakbang or mga detalyeng hakbang na kailangan mangyari. So, in addition is ang fetal development is very important because dito dahang bumubuo ang bagong buhay mula sa fertilized egg hanggang sa ganap na sanggol. So, most people don't talk about their pregnancy in this term. So, yung mga babae is late nila in-announce yung pagbubuntis nila bago pa matapos ang 12 linggo dahil karanasan na mangyari is ang pagkalaglag at pagkawala ng pagbubuntis. So, why is it can be helpful to know ang pagbubuntis? Bakit kaya nating malaman? Or why is it helpful na malaman natin na buntis ang isang babae? Para maging maiwasan ang komplikadong pagbubuntis at para maprotektahan ang baby and also maging malusog ang iyong pagbubuntis. So, that's all my report. Thank you.
Fetal development cycle. Sa loob ng 24 oras pagkatapos ng fertile ng itlog, ito ay magiging sanggol. At mabilis na hati sa maraming cells. Kasi siyam na linggo ng pagbuntis, ang embryo ay mabubuo at magiging fetus. May 40 weeks na ang isang karaniwang pagbuntis. Ang weeks na ito ay nahati sa tatlong trimester. Unang trimester ay 1 to 12 weeks, second trimester 13 to 27 weeks, at ang panghuli ang trimester ay 28 to 40 weeks.
Fetal development cycle. The embryo grows rapidly and the baby's external features begin to form. Your baby's brain, spinal cord, and heart begin to develop. Your baby's gastrointestinal tract starts to form. It is during this time in the first trimester that your baby is most risk for damage from things that may cause birth defects. So, sa fetal development cycle, mabilis na nag-grow ang embryo at dito nag-uumpisang mabuo ang brain, spinal cord at heart ng baby. Kasabay nito, nabubuo na rin ang gastrointestinal tract na magiging bahagi ng digestive system niya sa unang trimester. Very sensitive ang baby, meaning mataas ang risk na magkaroon ng birth defects kung expose si mommy sa harmful substances like alcohol, certain medications, or pollutions. Kaya, napaka-importante na maingat si mommy sa mga ginagawa niya, sa mga pagkain at inumin para sigurado na tuloy-tuloy at healthy ang develop ng baby. Ang first trimester ang pinaka-critical stage dahil dito nangyayari ang pinakamabilis na pag-develop ng mga major organs ni baby.
I'm Aileen J. Wahing and I'm going to report germinal stage. Germinal stage. This is the shortest stage of fetal development. It begins at conception When a sperm and egg join in a fallopian tube, the sperm fertilizes the egg and creates a zygote. The zygote begins its journey down to our uterus over the course of about 1 week. So, this is the time nga magupod ang sperm kang egg cell sa fallopian tube sang tao. And then, pag na-fertilize na ang egg, magiging zygote siya. Tapos, ang zygote na ni, mag-start siya nga mag-travel paadto sa uterus naton. And it takes around 1 week para makaabot dito. During this journey, the zygote divided many times, eventually creating two separate structures. Then habang nasa journey siya, nag-start na mag-divide ng zygote into mini cells. Eventually, magkaroon sang duha ka separate structures halin diri. And then during this week-long process, the zygote will undergo multiple stages. That's all, thank you.
The embryonic stage. The embryonic stage lasts from about the 3rd week of pregnancy until the end of the 8th week of pregnancy. The blastocyst begins to take a distinct human characteristics. It's now called an embryo. Structures and organs like the neural tube, which later becomes the brain and spinal cord, head, eye, mouth, and limb, form the cell that will form the fetal heart. Begins to cluster around 5 to 6 weeks and can pulse. So meaning pag-abot sang 8 weeks ang blastocyst mag-amat-amat na siya sa form sang human characteristics nga which matawag na siya nga embryo. Once ang embryo nga na magtubo na siya sang ang embryo magsimula na siya tubo sa mga embryo structure, tubo siya sa mga structures nga organs pareha sa sang neural tube nga maghimo sa aton nga utok, spinal cord, ulo, mata, baba kag mga kamot, tiil. Pagtapos sa oras nga na ang cells mag-form na sila para maghimo sang fetal heart. Kag pag-abot sang 5 to 6 weeks magpulso na ang bata, which mean buhi na siya pag-abot sang 5 to 6 weeks. Okay na?
Good morning everyone, especially to you ma'am. I am Mary Anne Ramos, the reporter coming from our group. My topic is all about fetal stage. What is fetal stage? The fetal stage of development begins around the 9th week and lasts until birth. This is when the embryo officially turns into a fetus. The fetus gets its assigned sex around 9 weeks of pregnancy, although your healthcare provider can detect it on ultrasound yet. For me, the fetal stage is the final phase of prenatal development starting around the 9th week of pregnancy and lasting until birth. During this period, the fetus undergoes rapid growth, organ maturation, and the development of body systems needed for survival outside the womb. Key milestones include the formation of recognizable human features, brain growth, movement, lung development, and weight gain. By the end of this stage, the fetus is fully developed and ready for birth. For example, the fetal stage can be seen in a pregnancy progressing from the 12th to the 24th week. Around week 12, the fetus begins to develop more defined human features like facial structures and tiny fingers and toes. By week 20, the mother may feel the fetus moving as it practices movements such as kicking and stretching. By week 24, the fetus lungs are developing, and with medical assistance, it may be viable if born prematurely, although it is still preparing for life outside the womb. That's all, and thank you.
Edited by Jen Marielle Perel.